Hello everyone, thank you very much for giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about English. You know, English is very important in the world now, so I'm going to talk about learning English. First, I want to talk about the differences between English and Vietnamese. English is very different from Vietnamese. The sound are different, the grammar is different, and the writing is totally different. It's not difficult to speak English well. If you want to speak English well, you must forget about the differences. The practice correct sentences until you are used to them. Second, many people tell me that it's very hard to remember new words. I think the best way to remember new words is to practice them every day. Practice them in sentences and paragraphs. Listen to tape and read along every day. Otherwise, you will forget easily. Third, how to speak fluent English is very difficult. Now let me give you some advice. Don't be afraid of losing faith. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't be afraid of practicing your English. Don't be ashamed being poor English. Don't be ashamed being sterile. Don't be afraid being laughed at. The only real shame that you never open the mouth. The only way to learn English is never be afraid and never be ashamed. False. I'd like to talk about how to pronounce English word correctly. Spell the word aloud, read the word aloud, according to the type, carefully imitate its sound, and find a good sentence to use it words. Lastly, I want to talk about the secret of speaking English well. Everyone to speak English well if you want. There are several things you must do. You must keep on working hard. You must keep on practicing. You must keep on making mistakes. And you must keep on losing faith. Speak as loudly as possible. Speak as clearly as possible. And speak as quickly as possible. Everyone can make it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Let's conquer practice English together. It's never too late to make a change in your life. Thanks for the kind attention. I hope you will to learn English from today.